got some great specials for you.
A bit of peace and quiet. Okay, Manny. Very funny. Wait, if that wasn't you, what was it?
It's mine! Moley! See? I told you! You wouldn't believe me! And now you believe me! The end is now!
Slimy snozdoodles! What's causing all this? Uncle Mishmash!
What's he up to now?
Uh-oh. This doesn't look good.
Quick, let's get to the lab before these vibrations destroy MoleTown.
What are those moles up to now? My beautiful shed.
Great mole! What was that?
Uncle Mishmash, what are you up to? Stop with the vibrations!
Well, that's a nice howdy-ho for your uncle. It wasn't me. It appears to be coming from the great above. Here, check it out. What do you see?
A monster?
An earthquake?
A huge giant robot destroying all of humanity, and he's coming for us moles next!
No, it's a big concert. Oh, yuck! Look at all that trash.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, look, something's happening.
Thank you. Hey, good night.
Wow, that's some crowd. The humans are leaving, but they sure know how to make a mess.
What about the damage? Cafe Moley had a big pointy rock fall on it. Not to mention all the other big pointy rocks that fell on the rest of town.
Don't worry, Mishmash can fix it, can't you, Mishmash?
Well, I would, but my reclamation yard is growing a bit thin lately. I barely have enough material to work on the inventions I have.
What about all the trash from the concert? Maybe Manny could bring it down.
Moley, are you sure about this? You know he's missing a page or two.
This is a simple one. Manny! Now that's a good one. Can you bring all the trash from the great above?
Wait! Not from all the great above.
Oh, yes, you're right. Now, Manny, listen. Can you bring down all the trash from just the concert above us?
Oh, my wiggly worms!
What's going on?
Oh no!
Fantastic!
Huh? Looks like it worked. Well done, Moley.
Maybe there's a little more than we
This
expect.
is all perfect. Now we have to be careful what we use. I have to grab my plan so we can only use the correct trash for the correct repair. Biodegradable plastic, blah, 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 blah. Waste.
Wow, that's fresh wiggly worm.
Wood.
Don't worry, squirmy wormies. I will rescue you.
So, you got that?
Oh, yes, indeed.
Yeah, no problem, Monk. Leave it to us. I heard everything you said. I was totally listening. Every word.
Fantastic! Okay, You two toddle off. I'll gather up the plans with a few tools, and I'll join you down there in the wiggle of a nose.
Oh, Grubs, did you follow all of that?
I was hoping you were listening. I'm not gonna lie to you, Moley. I was pretty much asleep. My eyes weren't even completely open. And I was drooling. I didn't listen to a word he said. I think it was something about using the trash to fix the town.
Well, let's get going. We'll meet Mishmosh there.
Uh-oh. Help!
Uh-oh. This doesn't look good.
The Great Keeper has arrived! He will save us all!
Let him speak, Reginald. Oh, Keeper, what shall we do?
Moley, what do we do now?
Where's Mishmosh?
Perhaps he meant for us to repair the town.
Well, he did say to use the trash, and we've plenty of that.
And I can remember what things look like. My memory is awesome!
Okay, let's do this before the crowd goes wild. Everybody, grab some trash. We have a plan. Very nice. Well done, Dottie.
Are you sure this will work?
Sure, it looks great.
We've done it! The town looks totally awesome!
I found this roll of tape. Sorry, I got a little tied up. Hey, what's going on? I thought you said the town was damaged.
Well, it was, but we used the trash to repair it, just like you said.
Moley, what's this?
A hot dog,
And that there is a pickle.
But, Moley,
as good as new.
In fact, I think it's an improvement.
Uh-oh!
Watch out! Holy moly, quick!
Ta-da! Oh, not again. Aha! My beautiful store!
Oh, I like the raspberry jello. Oh, that's delicious.
Oh, my wiggly worms.
if you two had listened to me in the first place, we wouldn't be in this mess. But it's quite simple. We just need to follow my plans. And this time, choose the correct trash for the correct job. Got it?
Well, it may have been hard work, really sweaty, and probably would have been way easier if we were just listening the first time. But we did it in the end.
We absolutely cracked it.
Plus, my reclamation yard is full again, so everybody's happy.
Speaking of everybody,
Oh, no. What are you doing here?
we thought you might need some help.
Hey, careful where you step. You, wake horizontally.